It all 6, 7, 10, whatever many rounds you had, and there's some threat there. You need to get back on target as fast as possible. This is how you want to do it. Shall I give you the command? Right. Fast reload. If that makes you come out, go ahead and rip it out. Go to the ground and put the other one in. Reload and get back up. Because you might have to do what? Hit him again.